Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log into ProtonMail. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. ProtonMail is an end-to-end encrypted email service founded in 2013 in Geneva, Switzerland. It uses client-side encryption to protect email content and user data before they are sent to ProtonMail servers, unlike other common email providers such as Gmail and Outlook.com. In order to use the features of ProtonMail, you need to log into ProtonMail. First of all, you need to go to the web browser and type proton.me and hit enter. After that, click on Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Now fill up your email and password and click on Sign In button. That's it. This is how you log into the ProtonMail. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.